My dear students, listen carefully. Yeah. Hey, ಆನಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, my dear students, see, in the last class we were discussing about materials, in that metals and non-metals. I told you to purchase a periodic table. I told you people to purchase periodic table. Tell purchase madadra? No. Why, my dear students? Okay. Why, my dear students? Okay, let it be. Listen carefully. Okay. Oh, listen carefully, my dear students. So, materials. The name of the chapter is materials, and in that, metals and non-metals is the concept. Okay. Metals. So, what are the physical properties of metals? What are the physical properties of metals? It will produce sound. It will produce sound. Next.
Connect aina.
It produces sound. Take down. My dear students, please take down. Physical properties of metals. Physical properties of metals. In that first one, metals produces sound. Metal produces sound. Second one. Don't talk. Metal produces sound. Therefore, they are called as sonorous. 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 Therefore, they are called as sonorous.
पिल पियद्दु फोन से पापा करेंसी खाली है
Okay, my dear students, here I am sharing some slides. Please go through it. So take down the heading, physical properties of metals. Physical properties of metals. Listen carefully. Here and my, please look at carefully. Physical properties of metals. Physical properties of metals.
About uses and physical properties of
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
metals. Metals are strong and durable. That's why metals are used so widely for making almost everything that we see around us. Metals are used in making machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, buildings, trains, satellites, gadgets, cooking utensils, water boilers, etc.
Okay, my dear students, metals are used. Metals are used in machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, buildings, trains, satellites, gadgets, cooking utensils, and water boilers. Once again, I will repeat. Okay, please take down. Please take down.
Almost everything that we see around us. Metals are used in making machinery,
Metals are used in making machinery. Second one, metals are used in making machinery. Metals are used in making machinery. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-R-Y, machinery. Second, automobiles. Hiranmai, where is Dineshana?
Sir, in room.
In room. Call him.
Baba. Ajay.
Hiranmai, where is he?
Sir, he is coming.
He's coming.
Sir, he is coming.
Okay.
Jump.
Okay, take down. Metals are used in making machinery and automobiles, aeroplanes,
Sir, bola mana?
aeroplanes.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಹಲೋ.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯ್ತಾರಾ?
ಹಲೋ.
ಹಲೋ.
ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯ್ತಾರಾ? ದಿನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಕಾಫಿ ಆಯ್ತಾರಾ?
ಹಲೋ.
ಹಲೋ ಅಣ್ಣ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಜೋರಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
క్లాస్ సర్వికే మాట్లాడతాను. నేను
Okay.
కెమెరాలో
ಹಿರಣ್ಮೈ ಕೊಡಿ. Okay. Okay. Metals are used in machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, buildings, trains, satellites, gadgets, cooking utensils, water boilers. Take down this. Take down this. Okay, take down, my dear students. Sodium and potassium. Sodium, S-O-D-I-U-M, sodium and potassium. Ramya, P-O-T-A, sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are the A-R-E-R-T-H-E, are the two soft metals. Are the two soft metals. Are the two soft metals. We can easily cut. We can easily cut with the help of knife. My dear students, I have given some information in the chat, in the chatting. Please look at everyone. Sodium and potassium are the two soft metals. I have sent some informations in the chat box. In the chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sodium and potassium are the two soft metals which we can easily cut with the help of knife. Sodium symbol is capital letter N, small letter A, Na, and potassium symbol is capital letter K. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಂತಾ?
Yes sir.
Yes.
We got it sir.
You got it?
Yes sir.
Atifuddin, Ramya,
Sir.
did you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please take down this. Please take down this. Sodium and potassium are the two soft metals which we can easily cut with the help of knife. And sodium symbol is Na and potassium symbol is capital letter K. Next.
That can be cut.
Sir, you told to bring periodic table.
Yes. Yes, period table. Hiranmai, did you got?
Yes sir.
Okay. See, Atifuddin,
Sir.
in periodic table, atomic number of the sodium is 11. Look at 11. And atomic number of the potassium is 19. See? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Mention it. Mention it. Atomic number. Atomic number of sodium is 11 and potassium is 19 in periodic table.
Sodium is 11.
Please take down the another point. Atomic number of the sodium is 11 and the potassium is 19 in the periodic table.
And mercury is a liquid metal.
Periodic table.
Take down mercury. Second point. Mercury is a liquid metal. Mercury is a liquid metal.
There are no gaseous metals. Metals conduct electricity very well. Non-metals don't. That is the most important reason.
My dear students, I'm giving the notes in the chat box. I'm giving the notes in the chat box. Please look at it. I'm giving the notes in the chat box. Please look at it. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Are you getting the notes in the chat box?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are the important? Krutika?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you getting these notes in the chat box? Okay.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Write it. ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ.
Okay, sir.
ಧನುಷ್.
Sir. Sir.
ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬರ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
Yes, sir. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Mercury. Sir, atomic number of mercury is mercury symbol is Hg. Atomic number is 6. Ara.
My dear students, just go through the chat box.
Sir, writing.
Okay. Some metals are shining in nature like gold, silver, copper, aluminum, etc. Hence we called as lustrous. 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 Okay. Okay, my dear students. Are you all getting my point?
Sir.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಲ್ಲ
Yes,
ಅರ್ಥ
sir.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ.
Yes, sir.
Again I will do. Again I will do. Are you all getting my point?
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಕಣೋ.
Next.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ.
Sir, next.
Okay, next. Metals are having malleability and ductility. Metals are having malleability and ductility properties. Please.
Sir, what is malleability?
Yes, malleability means which can be beaten into thin sheets. Malleability means metals, take down, metals which can be beaten into thin sheets. Thin sheet. Ductility. Ductility means metals can drawn into thin wires. Example, COPP, copper wires for copper. My dear students, ductility means metals can drawn into thin wires. Example, copper wires for electricity. My dear students, malleability means metals which can be beaten into thin sheets. Ductility means metals can be drawn into thin wires. Example, copper wires for electricity. Understood? Hiranmai?
Yes, sir.
Yes. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೋತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the next class, I want the periodic table. Sai Murar, Farooq. Okay. Dhanush, Komal,
Sir.
Dhanush, Komal. Ellaru
Sir.
periodic table.
Sir,
periodic
now
table.
only I had, sir.
Yes, good, very good. And Dhanush,
Sir.
ನೀನ್ ಹತ್ರ periodic table ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I
periodic
also have.
table. Yes, good, good. ಯಾರಿನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ periodic table ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes, very good. Vikas, very good, Vikas.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. ಈಗ ನಾನೇನು
Thank you, sir.
ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್. Chemical properties of metals. Chemical properties of metals. Head on chemical properties of metals. Okay. I will continue this in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, my dear students, have a nice day. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Okay, one more thing. In the chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು notes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ notes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Chat box ಅಲ್ಲಿ notes ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Have a nice day.